in this video. So the thing, a lady called me. When I no call, so I beg anybody. When I know anybody will cause this woman for you, I go block the person. Make anybody no cause anybody, I beg. Because I don't even say that she dey line, she dey listen to everything when they happen. Good time, good evening. So she called me, she say she cheat on her husband. So I know say me, I dey always dey join women now. Anything they happen now, women I dey always dey women side. But that one know me say if woman fuck up, me I no talk. And this time around, this lady she fuck up. So she said she cheat on her husband, and the worst part of it is that she cheated with her husband friend. Yes, her husband friend. Now she cheat on the husband. So right now, the husband. Okay, we might just start the whole story from beginning so that make it not be like say I dey jump, make una for understand the whole thing. May I start from beginning? According to her, she said the man never put money for her head. You know, if you be Edo, if you come from Edo, maybe you will understand waiting me for to put money. I think now all Nigerian be yes, now every Nigerian they put money for they pay diary, yeah? Yeah, okay. So he said the man never pay a diary. But they don't do marriage for here, they do court wedding for Italy here. So according to her, she said that the husband I use Okwiba to spoil. And I know what it be Okwiba now. Like say the man they give him every time. So she herself constantly they used to that kind of thing. So according to her, she said then they do reach like 2 or 3 times a day. That was before they born they born their first Pekin. So in a week, she said that they do like up to 9 or 10 times a week. They do like that. So when she come born, she say her boobs come flat well. So as her bros, good evening. Brother good evening. So he say her boobs come flat well. As her boobs flat, the man no come they like they do the thing the way they do them before. So she can't feel say maybe na her boobs that make the man no they want they make love to her again. So she can't feel inferior. Sometimes she says she go close to the man know they want you and all this stuff. So she can't go Nigeria. I don't know whether some of now don't hear of this doctor for Lagos where yours they do plastic surgery for almost all our celebrities for Nigeria. If you watch almost all our celebrities now, the one will not get breast before now don't get breast, the one will not get nyash before now don't get nyash. The guy they pump all of them. So she can't go meet that guy. She can't do her breast. So on her own, she thinks maybe if she come back, as long as say she don't do her breast, because now that her breast, now make kind of feel say now make the husband no they make love to her again. So as she come back, she comes to say the whole thing still remain the same. The man no see they make love to her. Patient Easy, good evening. So because he said the man no see they make love with her. So now she comes say that means not be her breast be the issue then. The man gets what he make her no they want make love to her. So he said as she they use the thing they pursue the marriage, the man no they agree they do. Okay. She come they like, okay, you know that kind of thing now. So according to how she say she go her husband friend house. So as she go there, he say go help and cook. Married woman, you go your husband friend house, go the help and the cook. He say because she fed the good before. He said as she go there, the man come put drink for table, make she drink. He say now she drink. He say when she drink finish, she come dey feel honey. Say she can't feel honey. So oh God. She said she Auntie, I beg, I know say you did line, I know verse, I beg, because I don't feel control myself. You know if you blame me, you understand? But the story they funny, so no verse. So say she don't feel control herself, and she don't know what happened to her. Now after everything, now her eye can't clear, she can't find out say she did wet. The man, he say after the man do the thing finish, she can't put tissue, take cover her private part, make the thing for no the stain bed and the rest. So now can say, okay, what's it gonna happen from there? You can't bath for the man house, Abia, you can't water. She say she bath, then she can't come house. He said so after 1 week. All this one, so now before this coronavirus issue start to, so let me want to start the thing from beginning. So now because some people feel they ask and say what it concern coronavirus, concern woman who go cheat on her husband. So now how the matter starts with this. So she said the guy wey basically they gather their house together. You know, say normal now some people they carry apartments for Europe, they'll give some rooms out for rent. So this other guy will rent one room from their house. Now see in husband friend. So he don't know as that one tell know wetin dey happen. Say man, he sleep with his husband friend. He say so that one call the tenant say man, make she come sleep with him. If not, he go tell his husband say man, she cheat on her husband. You understand? So boss lady, good evening, ma. So she say the man come dey threaten her say man, he go tell his husband if she no allow him to sleep with her. He said so at first she thinks maybe na joke or maybe the guy just dey threaten her. So she try make she know why or how the guy even tell no say she sleep with her husband friend. He said but the guy no gree talk. You understand? He said the guy no gree talk. So now he just come still proof. He said wetin the guy come dey do if she dey bath for bedroom, the guy go run come, you come, the guy go enter bedroom, go lock the door from back, they use hand, they touch her breast, they tell her say the breast no even resemble, you no even resemble wetin dem put silicone, you no even resemble wetin blow dey, you know those. Jesus. I can't believe I'm saying this. He said the guy go say the breast no even resemble what they even put blow. How they even do the thing? Where they even cut her? Because according to her, she said now from her armpit, now they from put the silicone. So even though maybe she even naked, you can hardly tell. Say they operate her, say silicone they her breast or something. So the guy go tell her say, I want know where they for put her. And because say the guy don't hold her ransom with that issue of say she sleep with her husband friend. So if the guy they do all those stupid things, she don't know how she want to tell the guy say make the guy stop. So and if she scream, definitely her husband go hear her voice. So to avoid her husband from hearing her voice, she just gonna like okay, they play along with anything where the guy they tell her. He says so when this coronavirus contest starts, so this guy when they stay with them for us now, he no fit go see his girlfriend. His girlfriend no fit come see her. Now the guy they tell her now say, okay, since all of us don't dey house, we don't do anything. And the worst part of it be say this in husband, so after she don't even see to the breast, not be say the husband still sleep with her mom. The husband is not even sleeping with her. So say the guy come to her and say, man, he must make love with her, whether she like him or not. He said every time. He said the guy will tell her say, okay, shout now. If you want shout. May we look who go shame. Not be you go shame. He said sometimes if he the kitchen, say the guy will come meet her for kitchen, go from back, hold on. They tell her say, if you shout now, you know. If you shout now, your marriage will break. You know, I don't know how some people they so wicked and so heartless. I don't see what did this woman do now, fuck up things, say what did she do no good. But how you the blackmail married woman say you want to make love with her just because say you know say she cheat on her husband? Like seriously. He said, and now the main problem now be say they suspect say her husband no. He said because when your husband call in brother from Nigeria, your husband they tell the brother say in brother they tell the husband say hello you care for those people who not be here Benin, hello you care and no sleep with her, because for Benin tradition if woman go sleep outside her marriage, her husband not supposed to sleep with her, because if her husband sleep with her, according to them they say the cause of kind of problem, I don't know. So he said the brother now they tell her husband, make her husband not sleep with the girl. I mean, make you not sleep with the woman. Say if you sleep with the woman, say na abomination. You understand? So now the husband himself no even ask the woman, say, what did this up? You cheat on me, you sleep with my friend or something. The man no ask. So two of them just their house. Yes, the woman get 2 children. Franklin, yeah, they have 2 children. He said so the man, ask the woman, say, okay, I hear say you cheat on me or you cheat on me. How did it happen? He said now, said the man could even be nice to her more than before. He said your husband, person will be say, man, all this while the man they behave strange. He said this same man go carry drink, come, go tell her say make she drink. He go cook. This one a man will be say, man, they cook for her before. He said the man will go cook food, go bring her come. And she now, her conscience come dey judge her whether the man want poison am or whether na kill the man want kill am. He no know wetin the man want do am. So he no even, if sometimes if the man give her food, she go hide, throw away the food, make the man for no know say she no eat the food, say because she dey fear. So now she dey ask me say wetin me think or like which advice I fit give her. Now I tell her say, my dear, this one e big pass me. I no go fit tell you now say go tell your husband. Tomorrow you go say maybe my husband be no know. Now you tell me say make I tell my husband. I no go fit still tell you say make you pass comot for your husband house. The matter e get k leg. So then she come and say whether I fit do live video, maybe if people see call, maybe if people fit tell her what she go do. He said maybe people fit tell her what she go do. Then from there, make she for know the next step. What be say me she want take. But as for me, my dear, I don't know the kind of advice when I will give this kind of person. Why did she confess? Why didn't she confess to her husband? How she want to start? How she want to start to tell her husband say she did not only sleep with her husband's friend, she's also flirting with her husband friend that is living with them. Okay, I don't, she's not the one flirting with the guy. Now the guy now they blackmail her. Okay, how she wanted to tell the husband say, honey, I cheat on you, and because of say I cheat on you, your friend where all of us are at their house, they can't press my breast for bedroom. Oh, how she wanted to talk that kind of thing? If not you go fit tell her, you go fit tell your husband that kind of thing. Yeah, Lizzie, now what me they try to talk now be say how she want to talk her? Who be this one where they ask me say whether you self don't mind? What it concern you